Hi friends, FirearmPop here, and this is my EDC flashlight. Here it is. It turns on, turns off, it lights up. Thanks for watching. This is FirearmPop. Be safe and God bless. Bye now. Okay, I'm back. I wish it was that easy. I just have a thing about talking 15 minutes on one flashlight, so I decided to do a video and show you an array of flashlights. Yes, this is my EDC. I do carry this on my keychain. It's handy. It's I'm going to call it a dime store flashlight, but my quest here is to find something that gives reasonable light and is just uses one AAA cell, so that the batteries are easily replaced. Okay, that takes care of that one. I also carry with me daily, and you've seen other people talk about the micro stream. Okay, and I like this a lot. I wish carry it right near my pen. It's a nice little flashlight. It does a lot in illumination, and it's very handy. And if it's right in my pocket, right next to my pen, and it works well. Okay, and I carry that every day. In my on my nightstand is this next torch. Okay, I picked this up at a gun show a while ago. It's a nice flashlight. It really does illuminate. I don't want to blind the camera too much here. It's got instant. Okay, so you can hold it and use it that way. You can turn it and have a steady stream, constant on. One of the features I don't like about this, again, the special batteries inside, and they're expensive. So, it doesn't always make me warm when you talk about flashlights. Okay, that's that flashlight. Okay, next on my trusty 1911, there's a Nexstar. Okay, and this works very well. And so when I go to get my my weapon, let's see what happens here. This does provide a decent amount of light, especially if I'm going through the house looking for the maker of noise. Okay, so that is my 1911 on the accessory rail. Okay, and last but not least, mag light. And I don't know if I can get the whole mag light in frame. There it is. It's about 1.5 feet. Of course, mag lights give great light. This one, batteries might be going out a little bit on it, but yes, they are. So it's time to replace the batteries. But this does provide a little backup assurance if what I encounter is not going down with my 1911. Okay, anyway, that's another light I keep handy in the house. So there you have it, a number of flashlights. Some I carry daily, some are by my bedside, and those are flashlights. Okay, so now for the final time, this is FirearmPop. Be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.